How's that zoom? That sucks, yeah. Oh well. Balance 7. 7 Balance, TFZ Balance device is going to be what I'm going to unbox today. It's raining again. Let's do this. Okay, this is a TFZ Balance 7. I'll be completing the Tipsy review probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'm still really enjoying that. I'm trying to see if I can see the specs on this. the P1 by Tin Hi-Fi is 10 millimeter. I believe the driver on the Unique Melody ME1 was 12 to 16, I think. This is 20, like 28 plus or something. This is a really quite large. This is like can you see the inspiration for this? I'm an owner of the iSign i20, and this has got that same kind of design. I wonder if it's got the hooks in it. I mean, really, this looks like a affordably manufactured kind of clone. I'll check what the comparison between the driver size on this and on that iSign 20 is, which the iSign 20 needs a lot of correction. If this sounds anything remotely like the iSign 20, I will give it time with EQ, because the detail retrieval on the iSign 20 and the Unique Melody UM1 is just fantastic. It's not something that you'd rec to somebody, but if they were good with EQ, you would. It's 2-pin. It's got slightly extended. These feel really cool. I'm kind of stoked about this. As being a detailed junkie, I don't mind using EQ if the payoff is worth it. You know what I mean? And if the payoff was worth it with the Unique Melody. This cable seems to be pretty standard. TFC, it's nice. Move that along. Let me see if I can get some specs off of this real quick. I can't read that. My eyes are maybe messed up because it's early in the morning. It says 0.52. Oh, I'm sorry. Down here. Effective vibration area of diaphragm 4.52 centimeter. Millimeter would be nice, but 18 ohm impedance. dB. Alright. So just stick these in my ears with no hooks or anything. I really don't like those hooks much anyway. Okay, they're going full. Okay. Just for curiosity's sake, I'm going to put one in my ear right now because I want to see if this is without hooks. This design is inspired one. It's definitely wide open back. back here. I can hear the rain outside easily when this is fully in. Again, it's got the long stem, so you're going to get it in there no matter what if you want. I think foamies would probably be what I'm going to end up using with these. I'm going to put this tip on it right now. And give it a little sound impression real quick. I'm certain these need some kind of, these would be absolutely incredible if they were like this size and sounded as good as like tin hi-fi. That would blow my mind. That can't be possible. Hold on a second. Okay, these are sounding a lot like the iSigns without correction. A lot like them. Can you hear that? Out the backside. These are really open back. Which will give you the sense of these got the potential. So I'm an Android user. My Note 4, and I learned how to EQ it. I copied some of the stuff that Odyssey was doing and did a little bit different. The payoff is worth it if you're into this type of a driver, and I kind of am actually. So this will be interesting. I will come up with an EQ and then share it with everybody. If you're into this, I don't know what the price of this is. I'll take a look. Nice to have in my possession. I'm the Tin Hi-Fi P1s, the Thea Audio Phantoms are kind of scratching a planar like itch that feels nice. And I'm kind of into EQ. And I've got my hands on a couple really good PEQ systems, like that one that comes with the Power DAC V2. This would probably be fun to play with that. So this would be a geek toy. Not something that I could wreck, just say, hey, go buy it, because I can't do that. But if you're into EQ and potential, this would be something that I would definitely wreck. That's coming out the backside, man. So when I put these in my ear before I start the music, it's almost like there's nothing in my ear. I got a full seal to the point where it almost feels like I'd get driver flex, but it absolutely blocks nothing from the outside. So you are getting background sounds and whatever's going on around you. Someone says, hey, while you're in the office, you're going to hear them. They'll probably hear your music a little bit, but you'll definitely hear them calling your name. And I'm out of here. As you can hear, it's metal shell, and the iSigns are plastic, I think. So build quality would go to this. We'll see about sound quality once it's been adjusted. Very cool. Very cool. And I'm out.